What's up, guys? So today I'm back in black or blue, whatever you think works. So today I've got the STI with me, but I haven't been to the shop in a couple weeks. Like, spend some time here, just stop by, and today I wanted to do some things that I have been meaning to do, like get all my tools and stuff situated with the new toolbox and table and stuff that I got, and package up a couple things. Mainly, I need to send out a block to Outfront Motorsports to have all the closed deck machining and stuff done. And since my welder took a crap, I have since put in a claim for refund, and we need to send that back to Amazon. You know, good old Amazon special, but it only lasted like 2 weeks, so unfortunately not my first choice. I do, however, already have another one on order, which is the original one that I wanted, but at the time it was on back order or on a cargo ship, and unfortunately I pulled the trigger on this one when I should have just waited. So, well, here we are. We're going through the process. So we're going to package up that, we're going to package up a block and get some tools situated, and I got some other things in the mail that I'm actually really pumped on, guys, and I'm actually going to show you. We'll go through a couple different things, but mainly, you know, just a quick little video, quick vlog, and doing some shop things today, and trying to gear up for the next couple months. I've been super busy working on a lot of things, and I'm super pumped to be able to bring those things to you. So first off though, I definitely want to thank everyone for tuning in, and for everyone that has subscribed to the channel. You know, if you haven't already, my YouTube analytics say that about 50% of you guys aren't actually subscribed. So first off, go down, click that link below, or not the link, duh. Click the subscribe button, noob YouTuber. But yeah, help me out. Click the subscribe button, turn the bell notification on, and if you would, please drop a like, drop a comment, really help me out. I'm definitely trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. It probably won't happen, but we are living a dream here, so with your guys' help, I probably definitely can. But without further ado, I guess we can go ahead and get into the action. So let's go. Alright guys, so we finished putting everything, or pretty much like, you know, the majority of all the tools and stuff I had into a new home. There's definitely more drawers than I have tools, but I'm sure over time I will continue to accumulate more tools until somebody wants to sponsor me with a bunch of tools like you know, Milwaukee or Tang or SK tools even, but I think for now I've got pretty much everything I need. Anything I do need I'll just go buy, but pretty much, you know, Subarus are pretty general. They're all metric, and the tools are basically universal. So I think I'm pretty well set up, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what I've done, and then we'll get into some more time-lapse junk. I'm not even sure I'll even put it in time-lapse, but I'll probably show bits and pieces of it, or just do a time-lapse, who knows, and get some things packaged up so that we can get them shipped out. And when I end off the video, or towards the end of the video here, I will go ahead and show you what I got in the mail and what I'm working on and what's coming. So stay tuned, and yeah, let's check out what we got done here. So this is my new toolbox that I got for Christmas. Basically, you know, Home Depot special, but I went ahead and pretty much got everything I need. Wrenches, ratcheting wrenches, sockets, impact screwdrivers, pry bars, assortment of other tools, you know, Subaru Company 23 tools, cutters, coilover wrenches, pliers, a nice hammer. I'm not even sure there's anything in that one, nope. And then basically down here, this is gonna be my welding box of all my consumables and everything else like that. And over here, last but not least, Dremel, some zip ties, a bunch of vibrant stuff. I have a lot of this kind of stuff, and I'm gonna probably just have like one big drawer where everything like that opens up, so I can pretty much access anything like that whenever I need. But we're slowly getting this bench all taken care of here. This is gonna go in the toolbox as well. I also got a torque wrench that should go in there, and other than that, a lot of this stuff is just miscellaneous. This guy though, we are gonna package this guy up today and get it sent back to Amazon so that I can get refunded. And then over here, I've pretty much got everything all done. This is the block that we're gonna be sending out. Also, you know, basically as organized as I can, and then I'll use this this big box on the bottom. This is a block box. You can tell I've already sent stuff to them before. And then other than that, you know, just a bunch of miscellaneous crap that I need to get cleaned up. So I went over and I talked with my neighbor over here for the first time. They do a power washing gig, you know, one of the shops over. And since I got a bunch of, like, you know, miscellaneous junk and trash and whatnot, they have a trash over there, and I wanted to be the kind-hearted guy that I am, and so I went over there and I asked if I could kindly use their trash, or maybe even go in 50-50 on a trash service, since they already have the trash service, and you know, I don't necessarily think that I have a lot of trash. And he was totally cool. He was like, yeah, why not? I mean, we don't got much trash. I mean, half the time it's empty, and we don't even work out of here like all day long. You know, we're a mobile power washing unit. So super cool. We're gonna go ahead and get some of this trash out of here today too. You know, all this kind of stuff right here, and try and get this thing, you know, fully moved into, because I have a lift. I have a 2-post lift on the way. Shh. Hopefully that'll show up here soon, but yeah, so there are big things happening. I've been wanting to clean all this up and finally just get all moved in, but it took me a while to get, a table and a toolbox and everything else I kind of needed to do. So now we have it, now we've done it, and now we are able to move forward. So super pumped. Like I said, I'm probably gonna set you guys up for a time lapse, but I won't bore you guys too much. We'll keep this one nice and short since I've been posting some decently long ones. If you guys don't necessarily like the long detailed ones, let me know. Like, really guys, let me know what you want to see. I'll do my best to basically keep the content coming, and especially Subaru race car type content. But if it's not something you guys want to see, let me know, because I won't film it. And I'm still learning, I'm still experimenting, and I think we're headed in the right direction, but your guys' input and feedback is really appreciated too. So we're on my DSLR today too, and we're trying this out a little bit different, but the only bad thing about filming on my DSLR is the battery doesn't necessarily last as long. The quality footage is definitely way better, but at the same time too, I'm just not necessarily keen to it as much as I am the GoPro. It's heavier, it's bulkier. Like right now my arm is getting tired just holding this thing up for you guys with all the accessories and the shotgun mic and everything. But we'll do it for you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. Enough talking. Let's go. Alright, so we got this all packaged up and, got all that stuff shoved in there. I honestly think it'll be fine. I mean, there is a little space right here, but I really, there's padding right here on this side. This side's got this really thick, hard stuff. And, basically at this point, I think you could just do that. Well, maybe not. Oh, we can make that work. Outfront will be happy. Maybe I'm just getting good at this. I don't know. Yeah. So unfortunately, I don't have any tape here. Gonna have to run to the store. All right, fam. So we basically got everything I wanted done. So we got this box here. This is actually the short block to go out to Outfront, and then right here we have the welder to go back to Amazon. So unfortunately I don't have any tape, so I can't button it up. But then again too, I won't ship it out till probably Monday anyway, so I'll run to the store tomorrow or something, or on my way home, and we'll come back and get all these taped up. I already have notified Outfront that it's coming, and I also have a return thing for Amazon, UPS, whatever. So with that, I've got everything pretty much like cleaned up. I got all my tools put away finally. Got the shop, kind of cleaned up and organized. But I wanted to show you guys a couple things that came in the mail. Look at that. So, we have made in the USA and what appears to be some new camshafts. Sure enough, what is this? It's a cam card. And then cam gears, cam caps. Oh, that's really nice of them. Okay. Let's see. Oh, buddy. Woo! So these are actually GSC Stage 3 cams, part number 7026S3, billet 280 cams. Yeah, these are 280s. So I've been waiting for these for probably, I don't know, 2 months, 3 months maybe now, and finally got them. So after that block is sent out and all taken care of, we're gonna go ahead and send a set of heads out and have those guys built too. But I've been waiting on these cams, so I haven't quite made up my mind as to which to do first. And I know that it's probably gonna take a little while to do the block. So I figured, why not just do the block first and then we can do the heads next. I do have some more parts, more valve train and everything else coming for these guys as well. Once everything shows up, then we'll go ahead and get them sent out and have them built and be making some real power, boys. So with that, I'm gonna end off the video and just want to thank you again for tuning in, watching. If you made it all the way to the end here, definitely thank you. It's probably one thing I've been trying to work on the most. So if you made it here, great. I'm super pumped, super stoked. That makes me really happy. I hope you enjoy the content too. But again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell notification on. You know, share this with your friends. I mean, all we're trying to do here is grow. I'm out here kind of doing this all on my own with a little bit of help here and there. But with your guys' help and your guys' support, which is already flooding me and makes me feel so grateful, that I think we could do it. I think we can really do something here. So with that said, yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Later, guys. Peace.